Alrighty, guys. So you guys set up your your Orbic Magic 5G, and you didn't set the fingerprint during setup. So you're gonna want to know how to set that up, right? All right. You're gonna scroll up to open up your apps, and you're gonna go down here to settings, if we can find it. There we go. And then from there, we're going to go to, oh shoot, security, right? There we go. Click on that, and then of course, oh wow, that's an old security update there. Wow. Let's see here. Screen lock. Okay, we'll go fingerprint. Now, of course, got to enter my PIN, so we'll do that. And then, of course, okay, unlock with fingerprint. Just touch the fingerprint sensor in the back, right here. So it's kind of hard to see on here, a little dark, but anyway, see. Oh, hit back. Fingerprint. We'll go back to that. Oops. I must have hit a button whenever I had it flipped over. So you're going to hit next, and then you're just going to touch that printer, and then it'll tell you to lift and touch again. Every time it bounces, you lift and touch again. And you can see when I put my finger down, of course, you want to touch it different ways each time. That way, no matter how you touch it, it's going to unlock, hopefully. Okay, fingerprint added. So we'll hit done. Now we can add another fingerprint, which I would suggest using a different finger. So a lot of times, you just grab your phone and you want it to unlock. You don't care, which we could do the face recognition for that. But I'm going to go ahead and add a second fingerprint there. And then I might just want to go ahead and add my thumb as well, but I don't think I want to do that right now. So anyway, that's the quick and easy on how to add your fingerprint to unlock your screen. And of course we'll show, oopsie, we'll show here that, okay, I did these two fingers, so I'm going to try to unlock with this finger. Oh, not recognized. Oh, not recognized. Okay. Boink. So I used the correct finger, one of the ones that I did scan. This one I didn't recognize because I didn't scan this one. These two I did, so whenever I touched it, it immediately unlocked. So there we go. I did it with the index finger that time. Let's go ahead and try it with the thumb. Oopsie. Oh, open up the screen here. Oh, not recognized. Oh, not recognized. How about the pinky? Oh, not recognized. Not recognized. Uh-oh. Okay, so I tried it too many times, so she's kind of locked for a second. Or we could swipe to open. Anyway, that's how you set the fingerprint scanner, just in case you didn't do it during initial setup.